Hello everyone, today I am here to explain you how to perform ADC on Code Composer for Tivasi Launchpad. So here ADC means analog to digital converter. Here port we are using 10K port, and that port is connected to analog pin A0. This analog pin A0 is nothing but port E pin number 3, and other two as terminals are connected to ground. So we can see here for launchpad diagram, you can see A0 pin is nothing but this is A0 pin at port E pin number 3, PE3. So here we will be connecting port. So this diagram shows I have done the connections on breadboard for port. This is 10K port. One is connected to PE3 and other two are 3.3 volt, and one pin is connected to ground. So these are the hardware connections. Now we'll write code. For that you have to go to Code Composer, open Code Composer. So once Code Composer has opened, go to Project, New CCS Project, then select a target. For Tivasi Launchpad, target is TM4C123GH 6 PM. Select it. Then for connections, select Stellar is in circuit debug interface. You can give any project name. As I am writing code for Tiva Launchpad, so I will give an ADC, Tiva ADC. Then you can click on finish. So this project will be created. Here we can see that Tiva ADC, this project has been created. Right click on this, go to properties, then include option, add folder, go to browse, and we'll add folder for Tivaware C series. Select folder and OK. This folder has been added. Then click on apply and close. So we then again right click on this, add file, add libraries, driver library files, driver lib, go to CCS, then debug, and driver lib file will be selected and then open. So this file will be added. Link this file. So you can see whether that file is added. Here you can see that this file, driver lib file, is added to our project. Now write a code for ADC. So this is a code for ADC. These are the libraries required, and here ADC To use this, we have to use this function, that GPIO in type ADC, we are using, we know that this is connected to port E and GPIO. Port 0 we are using, so which is connected, ADC 0 is connected to pin 3, GPIO pin 3, which is used to enable ADC 0 module. And the whatever values of ports are there, that we will push to some variable. So that variable name, that is values are sampled to string values, that is UI32 ADC 0 values. So these value we will observe on the watch window. So first we'll debug, build the function. So this tool is used to build. We'll check for error. If no error is there, it will give message build finished. After that, debug. So this is the, it will start debugging. So debug is over. Now see, this is known as the watch window. Here we have to add first expressions, whatever values we want to observe. So register ADC 0 we are using. So first we have to select that register ADC 0 from this list and add it to watch. So ADC 0 is there, select it, right click and put it watch. So this register has been added, and in program which value we want to see, this. So select it, add watch expression. So this value you have to copy and paste to your watch expression. So I will do that. So select this, add watch expression. So this value will be added. Okay. Now run the code. We can see once the code has been run, after running, this value, port value is 375. Now the ADC for TIVA C is 12-bit ADC. 12-bit ADC means maximum value is 409620, 2 raised to power 4. So that is 2 raised to power 12 is 4096. So this port is at somewhere, means maximum value 40. If I put the port at maximum level, it will give 4096. Now I'll change the value to the maximum, change port value to maximum level. So after changing value, you can terminate the code, again run it, debug it. You can see no value is there on the window. It is showing value 0. Once you run it, it will show the maximum value 4087. Actually for 12-bit it is 4096, maximum port level is 40. It should show 4096, but practically it is not possible, so it is showing value 4087. I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.